how to cancel your Chegg subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Chegg account subscription, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to cancel the subscription for your Chegg account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now if you have that app subscription, you just have to open up your Play Store or your App Store if you subscribe from iPhone. Then you tap on your profile icon from the top right. Then you go to the option called Payment and Subscriptions and then tap on it. Then when you go to Payment and Subscriptions, you have to go to the option called Subscriptions, and when you go to Subscriptions, you'll be able to find the option there that says Chegg, and all you have to do is just make sure to cancel it. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then cancel your Chegg account subscription. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.